How you doing, bro? Are you back in the U.S.? I haven't seen a lot of y'all on the lives, man. I'm trying this other type of. Yes, I am back in San Diego. Ah, okay. How was your trip, bro? Did you enjoy it or what? I'm washing dishes. You enjoy it? Ya extrañas a la mami, huh? I'm glad you did all right over here. The only thing that sucks whenever you come into the Philippines to visit, the only thing that sucks is that you have to go back. That's the, that's the only thing I would complain about. You'll be alright though, man. Alright, I'm done right here. Um, I'm gonna show y'all my crib ahorita. I'm gonna show y'all a little bit cómo se mira aquí todo el. I got some other cleaning to do, but this how the castle is looking, guys. Pretty woman coming down the street. ¿Qué onda? Man, what is this, sugar? What's up, my people? Oh. Yes, love? Hey guys, look. Wow.